Imagine selling custom t-shirts, phone cases, wall poster and hundreds of products online without managing inventory, packing orders. Also, you don't need to worry about the shipping. Every time someone placed an order, the product got printed, automatically delivered. You don't need to worry about anything. You just need to worry about your profits. In this video, I will show you how you can start your print-on-demand business by using PrintKK. You can create your custom products, connect on any marketplace, Amazon, Shopify and ST, sell product online. No inventory, no shipping hassle. Start from home right now. Hey, my name is Om. If you are a creator, designer, freelancer and wants to build an online income stream, then this video is helpful for you to understand how print on demand work and you can start your business online. You don't need to invest any rupee into it. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So as you can see here, we are on our laptop screen. All you have to do is just go into the Google and search printkk.com. You will be landed up on this page. So just create your account. It will rewrite you a dashboard in this. So now you can see here we have the different tabs: My Design, Product, Order, Store, Creatives, Finance and Marketing and the Settings. We will explore one by one. So in the My Design, whatever the design you are creating on this particular platform will appear here. I have already tested a couple of designs you see before creating this video. So and when you click on this product on the PrintKK, a wide range of product is available. So if you are operating in very niche area, you will definitely find the product. So you can see the product is home livings, light furniture fixture, also sports and game, car accessories, garden and outdoor. All the products are available here. So you can easily select any product you like and start creating design inside the PrintKK as well and list it out any marketplace you like. So I'm selecting a t-shirt design, but you can select any product you like. So I'm just clicking on this Father's Day. I can see there is a t-shirt design. So I can just click on this t-shirt. You can also customize the product if you are designing for the different age groups. You can see this for child. Also you can customize the sizes you have and also you will select the color you like. I'm going with the white. I'm just click on start design. So now you can see the design editor is open. So as you can see in this editor, you will see a canvas. Also you can upload any image, photo or the files you like. You can just upload it, JPG, PNG, SVG file you like. Also you will get the layering of your elements, whatever you have on your canvas, you can get the layer. Also the library of all the images you have uploaded. Also you can search the images inside it. You will get also some of the text font which you can easy makes your design process a bit easy. So you can just select any style and just customize it accordingly you want. Also the template, you can save your design as a template and you can reuse it for multiple designs you like. Also some of the clip arts which will make your creative process a little more easier. So we will definitely use all these things in this video. So now first I have already uploaded. So you can just click on this upload image and select the file you like. It will be easily uploaded. So I have selected my illustration. I have created like this. I have just decreased the size like this and paste it here. Looks like in the center. And I will just click on this text and click on add text. Here I can add my text like bro. I am designing a sarcastic and of t-shirt. I'm choosing the font Rainbow Party bro and I'm copy pasting the same text. Bro is a designer. That's what my idea. Okay. Now I can just adjust my element. Also if you want to change the color of your text, you can see. And the great thing is about this is you can directly preview your design inside the mockups. You can see whatever the changes we are making in the canvas, you can real time see how it is affecting in our design. So now you can see I have adjusted my design like this and it just looks like pretty amazing and cute as well. So you can see this one. So someone who is looking for a t-shirt related to a designing, then will definitely buy my t-shirt. Also you will buy or not, let me know in this comment. You can see I will place exactly in the right place you like and I will just copy and put it back place here. Yes, I am. Okay. So you can see my front and back is looks like this. You can also change the color in the design editor itself, the t-shirt color. So you can see any different size, the color you like. You can see I have changed this color, how it is looking in the different color as well. So you can preview that as well. Also, you can choose the different size as well. And you can also even change the product. So just when you click on this, change the product, it will showcase a wide library as we have already seen before. So you can search the product and replace the design you like. So you can publish it. Once you're happy with your design, so all you have to do is just click on add to cart. If you are designing for yourself, if you are designing for your store, just click on publish to store or save the design. So I'm ordering from myself. So I'm just clicking on add to cart and click on continue, saving my design. So I will just click on this view cart and you can see my product is appearing. already I have designed a different product also in this. I will show you. So I will select this particular and click on checkout. Also, I need to add my address and the personal information or any recommendation I would like to add. So initially you will definitely get some of the different coupons that you can use while ordering the item and submit and pay. So once you will send, I will definitely print this picture also along with a different product. I have also created this amazing product. You can see a little white lamp on my desk setup. So I will definitely order this also. You can see how cool it looking it is. So you can easily by text also the image I have placed. You can also preview the mockup. So these one t-shirt and this I'll definitely order. So you can design different things. Let's suppose if you want to publish this design into your store, so how you can do it? So inside the design editor, you just need to click on this publish to store and you will see your design is saving and it is directly connected to your store and it will save your design in your store if you have already connected. If you haven't connected, then just go into the dashboard and click on store and you will see all the marketplace option. You will see ST, Shopify. Also there is a link for view tutorial. So just click on this view tutorial link and here you will see a proper guide along with the screenshots that you need to follow and connect your Amazon store with the PrintKK. So one single click, you will publish your design right inside from the editor to your store and sell your product online. So in this way, it's a very easy process. You can do it your own way. If you are already creating designs, creating content, then print on demand is very easy and effective business model for you. So you can just try it out and explore it. All you have to do is just pick a niche, create the product, list out on any particular marketplace you like. All you have to do is these 3 steps you need to do. If you like PrintKK, I have already added the link in the description so you can check it out and grab amazing offers as you are my community member. Let me know in the comments which product you will sell first. If you want to watch more videos about how to make money online as a designer, then let me know in the comment. I will definitely create more videos around it. Till then, take care of yourself, tata and bye bye. See you to the next amazing video. And great shout out to the PrintKK for sponsoring this video. Signing off. So